how to change language in Telegram movies. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change language in Telegram movies. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, what you're going to want to do is simply open up the Telegram app. And here we are, as you can see, I'm currently in the chat section. Now, in order to change language, tap on these three lines and a menu will pop up. In this menu, click on settings, and here you're going to want to look for language. As you can see, mine is set to English, but basically what you're going to want to do is set the language you want. For example, if you want to watch a Telegram movie, change the language to whatever you want to watch that movie in. Or you could even, for example, if you want it to be this language, you could set it to that. And basically, you could tap on these two buttons, for example, show translate button, which would be able to translate messages, or tap on translate entire chats, which would translate all the chats that are coming to your phone. But basically, this is how you can change languages in your Telegram app. So that's basically how you can change language in Telegram movies. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.